Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to yet another video. We're doing well. We're quite consistent at the moment. But basically, I'm on my way to go and collect a new part for the car. And this one is going to make it go snap, crackle and pop and scratch and pat, pat, pat and all of them things there. So yeah, basically I'm getting a downpipe, which is the first part of changing your exhaust, I guess. It's very easy to install. And you're probably thinking with all these installation videos, James, you must know what you're doing by now. Hell no, I don't have a clue what I'm doing, I'm just winging it. But because this part actually requires a ramp to be fitted, I'm going to take it to the garage right next to my showroom. So hopefully those guys can fit it in today, if not it'll be done tomorrow. Either way, we'll do a before and after comparison and then we're good to go. See what it sounds like, but I imagine it's going to be pretty damn cool. So yeah, on we go, let's go. Right then, what's going on? We're in the showroom. I've got the downpipe, let's check it out. I'm so gassed about this. Oh! So there it is. This is the thing which is going to make all my neighbours really, really pissed off. It's from a pre-owned car, but that doesn't matter. It's from the same place where I got the intake from my other video. Link in the description. So yeah. I'm gonna take it next door now because the garage that we use for our own cars is actually just literally next door. So I'm gonna go there, see what we can get it booked in, and then just crack on and get it done. But for now, let's go outside and see what it sounds like before, so then we've got a good comparison for after. And then we'll do some donuts. Right then. Okay, decent. Okay, so today's the day. I'm heading down to the garage right now. We're gonna get it fitted today. So yeah, let's roll, man. This is gonna be so much fun. We all know for a fact it's gonna change drastically when it's done. So let's get it going. We're back. It's done. Shame I was just passing as well. I'm in the i8 today. Yeah, let's have a listen. Let's get the key. Right, I've only got my phone. It's picked up the volume. Oh shit. Oh god, hold on, I'll turn the radio now. Oh my god. Right, let me get back to the office. Let me get back to the office so I can get this from the outside. Holy shit. Oh, it smells different too. Alright, cool. Let me get back to the office. Oh, let me turn it off. Oh, jeez, I'm too excited. Sounds right, that doesn't it? Way better. Right, I'm gonna come back with someone now. It sounds ridiculous. Where's it? Yeah, it's a little bit fast, this one. But I don't know what's faster, this or my car. We'll have to do a little drag race, won't we? i8 versus 235 with a few mods. That's the one we want. Go on and give it some. It says how much horsepower you're using. When it's into the high 300s. Oh man, what a mad car.
It's ridiculous. It's so much fun to drive.
Yeah, it's class. Especially being 4-wheel drive. Really do some damage. Really? Look at the horsepower thing. Oh man. Okay, so we're about to embark on the maiden voyage. Oh, I'm so gassed. So gassed. Oh yeah, by the way, put belt on. The car that we were just in is a GLC 43 and it is nuts. Same 3-litre twin turbo type of engine. Just turn it on. Bruh. Okay, so far, all I'm getting is a whole load of wheel spin. The road's a little bit wet. And yeah, it's just all a bit mad. I was waiting for this guy to get out of my way. Oh, don't pull out. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, ready? Oh my god. That is like seriously quick. Like, way quicker than it was. What the hell's happened? So I really gotta concentrate now, we're going quite fast. Oh my god. This is crazy. Right, we'll get it from the outside now. It's pulling into the shop. Man, the smell is so different. You can really smell the petrol. Yeah, go. Oh my god. Let it come back down. Let's just give it. Yeah, give it to them. That is absolutely ridiculous. The smell, hold on. Feel the air in it. That was a lot of fun. Quite gassed. So there we go. This is just crazy. Best mod by far. This car's really coming together. Ooh, the tyres are toasty. That's one way to warm it up, isn't it? Oh man. I finished editing the video, but I've been driving around in the car for like the last 2 days and it sounds absolutely mental. So I'm gonna add some more clips here. 2 seconds. So that is the new downpipe exhaust, well and truly fitted, well and truly warmed up. Someone's put it in. Who is that? I don't care. That was amazing, man. That was, oh man. This is gonna be so much fun. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, comment with your views and whatever I should do next, because I'm stuck now. I really don't know what to do next. So yeah, let me know. Give me some suggestions. Yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.